Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. On today's tutorial, I will be showing you a simple cupcake decoration. It's so simple and easy, so let's see it through. I have my 2 flavored cupcakes here, which I previously posted on how to bake this, so check it out. Get your star tape into a piping bag and add your butter. It could be any color you want. And start decorating. I don't know how I'll explain this, but as you can see, I'm doing this slowly so you can see it clearly. Do it well so it can be perfect or almost perfect. And keep it aside. Pick another one and do the same thing. After drawing the side rosette, I'll be using a smaller star tape. I used 2 colors of butter icing here, and as you can see, it's giving the marble effect, and I love it like this. I got this effect by adding both colors into a piping bag side by side. And voila, we are done. I'm just adding this hot sprinkles on it just to make it look pretty, and then the small ball sprinkles to also beautify the cake. Do check the description box below for more details and explanations I didn't put here. And please do not forget to subscribe if this is your first time visiting my channel. I really need that and it keeps me going. Please keep comments down below also, because when I see comments, I get happy, super happy. So that's it on how to make this simple cupcake decoration. I hope you give it a try. Thank you. Bye.